zhuzh it up a bit. So here's the fit. Top is redone. Pants are vintage, I think, and duster is from Dolls Kill. So we're both going to Coachella together. We're getting so excited because we're going weekend 2. And the best part is LA is empty. Coachella weekend 1, girl. Like, this is my 9th Coachella, and this is my first time going weekend 2. I am already happy with my decision, okay? We are about to go to brunch at the Arden in West Hollywood, which is Marie Antoinette French bougie cafe theme. So I'm super excited. And we're just gonna do a little look, something super natural. I'm thinking just like laminated brows, mascara, little highlight, little pop of bronzer. Let's go. And I also just put on Dior Sauvage, made my iced coffee, and jewelry is, this is from the beach, these are from Target, this is from Mexico, and these are Cartier. So, oh, and this is my ring that my hubby got me in Aspen. Okay, Westie, so recently I've been addicted to this Refi Beauty brow gel. Look at this. Okay, literally just even like just snatching the brows, like, oh my God. Can we just talk about these nails for a second? Like, every time I get my nails done, which is once a month, I'm like, oh my God. Sometimes twice a month, because this month it's Coachella, so twice a month. But I'm just like gagged. Like, literally, like, every time my nails are done, I just want to get them forever. Like, I just want them to stay forever because they're all such beautiful designs. Thanks to my nail tech, Kim. I got a good nail tech. She loves me so much. I was at the Montage last weekend, and this guy was so cute. He's like, your nail tech must love you so much because she does both sides of the nails. I was like, you know she does. So, okay, so I just did like kind of like plastering them and then putting them up a bit. We are going to do the fluffy brow trend today because why not? And I'm going to fill these in with a little pencil. Going in with the Sephora brow pencil just to kind of like fill them in. And Coachella is on my mind, guys. I was watching the Lana Del Rey set last night on YouTube. I fell asleep. But she's so good. I was just tired, that's why. But she is so good. I can't wait to see her live next weekend. Oh my God, it's going to be insane. Coachella weekend 2. And you guys know you should follow me everywhere, AmandaFromWest.com, because I want to be posting everything, girl. Everything. Okay, at this point, we're just like doing a supermodel brow. So we're just going to fluff them up. Call this supermodel brow because of Cara Delevingne. Anyone else see her AHS debut? Like, I literally love her so much. Like, slay. This is giving icon. I am so ready for brunch there, guys. I don't know. I'm gonna get salads and a salmon. I'm kind of like craving something fresh. Like, I don't know. It's just a vibe. Been working out 5 times a week. You can see my abs. I'm ready for Coachella. I just did my tennis shoot for AmandaFromWest.com listening, so check that out. And it's so cool because Slushy sent me a lot of merch. And I did a whole like custom shoot, so it's gonna be fire. And we're just gonna go in with a little bit of Radiant Skin Concealer from Charlotte Tilbury. Love Charlotte Tilbury, one of my favorite brands in the world. Just like literally, this is as little makeup as I wear when I go out. Like, I just like to have just a little pop of makeup. If you're naturally beautiful inside and out, you don't need much. But sometimes you want to do glam. Sometimes you want to go crazy. But right now I'm just kind of on the vibe of chilling. I think what I'm most excited for brunch is talking about our outfits. Like, for Coachella, like, Annika and her mom, they go to Coachella, and my mom and I go to Coachella. So that's kind of how we met and we bonded. So it's really cool because she lives in Newport and I live in Malibu. So we meet up like as often as one can, right? When we're busy gals. So, you know, we love to go to new restaurants, to try new places. The last thing we did was we went in Newport, and this time we want to do West Hollywood. So it's going to be so fun. And we're doing Malibu next. So it's just like, it's so fun to have like nice girlfriends, especially, you know, having gone to USC and being from DC, there's like, you know, I'm a certain type of person, and like only certain type of people like me who have like the same vibe. And it's nice to be around people who have really good energy and who reciprocate the vibes and have good vibes. Going in with Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm just like lightly baking just to give it that glow under the eyes. That's like a must for me. And then we're just gonna put a little powder here and up here. There you go. So it's gonna be a very natural look. Literally taking me, what, like 20 minutes? So easy. And I love when my natural Jewish curls come out. It's giving icon. It's giving Gen Z. It's giving bussin'. It's giving slay. And I say this because I'm literally turning 27 in November, but people think still to this day I'm 19. So, girl, I'll take it. And we're just going to throw in a little Rare Beauty contour. Just a little. Just a snatch. I really like Selena Gomez's brand Rare Beauty. I heard she sold it. Good for her. Good for her. Make that money, girl. Slay. So we're just gonna blend this out. And I also think like what's really nice is, you know, when you all have like boyfriends or husbands and you could just have like, you know, some girlfriends to go out with. It's really nice because especially in this day and age, everyone's always like so relationshipy, or, you know what I mean? Like for you, like it's very much like you have to find friends who love your vibe and love your energy, and they would travel really far to see you. Like that's how I know we're real friends, because we always go so far up and down Southern California to see each other. And we did meet at Coachella originally, so that's how you know it's OG. And just nice to have real friends, you know. On my journey being, you know, who I am, I've just had so many people who just really did not have my best interest in mind and just wanted to take advantage of my status and my money and my position in life. And, you know, it's just nice to be friends with people who, like, they love good music, they love to hang out, they love to try new restaurants, they love to hang out with their girlfriends and just like have a good time. And it's just really refreshing to spend time around people like that. It just really changes your life. And she also loves Disney, so we got that. I'm gonna go in with this Too Faced Candy Clouds blush. I'm like obsessed with this. It's so cute and it's pigmented, so you don't have to use too much. And it just kind of like brightens up your look. I love it. Brush off the baking. I do have self tanner on, so I'm not even gonna do bronzer. Just kind of like keep it like this. Just really refreshed looking, really basic, nothing like crazy. And also, I also want to just like update you guys. I am going to just go in with this Fenty lip oil. We're not doing anything loco. Just keep it really natural. We're going to go in and curl the lashes. You guys, my new album is stuck in my head. I can't wait to release my new single, Pour It Up, in the end of April 26th. Make sure to pre-save it and stream on all platforms, Amanda Rome West, and the music video drops on my YouTube channel April 26th, the same day it drops. I'm so excited. I shot the music video at the Beverly Hills Hotel. You guys are going to go crazy over it. It's so good. And recently I've been literally addicted to this white eyeliner from NYX. So good. It just really brings out the natural color in your eyes, and it doesn't like do too much. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not trying to have like a heavy makeup look right now. I'm just trying to look natural and look snatched. And let's go with the mascara. I'm going to be using my favorite, which is a YSL Lash Clash, the best. All right, so we're going to go in with my mini mirror. I love this mirror from Glamnetic PR from like a billion years ago. You guys always see me using it. And I am just so excited for brunch. I've been working my booty off for my new album that's dropping this fall and just getting ready for Coachella, so I'm ready to chill out. All right, so I'm using the Telescopic Lift Mascara now, and I'm actually obsessed. I know there's a lot of drama on here about it, but it's actually really good mascara, and it really lifts the lashes. It looks so cute. All right, so let's finish this bad boy up with some CC powder from It Cosmetics. I believe the Telescopic is L'Oreal. My mom actually works with L'Oreal a lot as a dermatologist, so I love them. They have really good stuff. We're just going to throw in a highlight and this gloss. So let's do this Fenty Cherry Treat Lip Oil from Fenty Skin. Gotta love Rihanna. Support, support. Looks so cute. And let's do a real ass throwback with Becca Cosmetics Ski Palette. Oh my god. Like, do you remember when this was the hype? Okay. Just gonna throw on a little highlight right here. And we are good to go. Ready? Let's show the full. All right, so here's the final fit. Here's the cats. And let's go have fun at Arden. Bye, Westies. Mwah.